Hi everyone, I'm Hazel and I'm one of the tutors here at Vitreus Art. I have been designing a new workshop for the past year because I got totally addicted to the bloom technique. Now, some of you that have been to my classes, I know you've seen this technique and I know that you're already excited about it, just as much as I am. In the bloom technique, it was created by a lovely lady called Shelley in Australia, and there are actually parts of the paint that I have to import from Australia to make this work. Essentially though, it's 3 layers of paint, so I'll teach you what goes in the paint, we'll layer the paints up together, and then we put what Shelley calls a cell activator on top. So we put the cell activator on top, we blow it out, and this starts to happen. I don't know if you can see this. And then, now this is my favorite bit, we spin it. And as we spin it, all of the cells that have been generated by the cell activator, they spread and they grow and they become more and more beautiful, and colors from the bottom come up, and it just creates absolutely stunning artwork. So in this workshop, what we're going to do is we'll do 4 tests. So we'll do 4 tests on tiles, we'll figure out the consistencies, you'll get plenty of practice, and when you're feeling good and ready, we're also going to make 4 beautiful coasters. So you'll be able to pick the colours that you like, and you'll be able to create beautiful artwork. Each coaster is like a mini piece of art all in its own. It's very similar to my other workshops where you don't have loads of control. So it's lots of fun. It's for absolutely anybody that wants to get stuck in, spin some artwork and learn something new. So if you would like to book on to my workshop and create 4 gorgeous coasters and have loads and loads of fun, just go to Vitreus's website or pop in and book in person. I'm going to show you now how much fun spinning really is. Are you ready? Here we go. So you can see the paint starting to spread out more. I'm going to give it one more spin and then I'm going to show you. You have to give it some welly, which is a bit scary. There we go. Now you see the paint spreading out, the cells are growing bigger, and with every spin it's becoming more and more beautiful. So here we go. We'll do one more because it's so much fun. I could do this all day. And I'm going to show you the end result. Are you ready? I don't think you're ready. This is so cool. Here we go. Here we go. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to meet you.